Hello everyone, welcome to Hazel Embroidery. Today we learn the beautiful woven wheel stitch. I'm using 6 strands of embroidery floss and a size 3 embroidery needle. We will begin by creating the foundation spokes for a woven wheel flower. You can make a small flower using 3 spokes or a fuller flower using 5 spokes as I'm showing you the 5 spokes. Now it's time to weave the flower. So bring your needle up near the center. Always start from the center of the spoke and bring your needle near the spoke and weave over and under each spoke. Here what you have to remember is that do not pierce the fabric from your needle. Just pass the needle over and under the thread. As you continue, you'll notice the petals, they gradually begin to form and the flower starts to take on a beautiful rose-like shape. So try to keep the weaving relaxed and avoid pulling too tightly. This will help create the soft, natural looking petals. Once the flower is nicely filled and rounded, I would like to give the rose a more natural and finished look. So to do that, I am adding a few long stem stitches around it. These simple stitches, they create a soft leafy effect and help frame the flower beautifully. And this is our completed woven wheel rose. I hope you enjoyed learning this beautiful stitch. Happy stitching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.